Welcome to JH. Today, we'll cover how to prevent new tabs from opening automatically in Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. This common annoyance disrupts your browsing, but we can fix it with a few simple adjustments. Starting with Google Chrome, launch the browser and click the three vertical dots in the upper right corner to open the menu. Select Settings from the list. Once the page loads, click on Privacy and Security in the sidebar, then choose Site Settings. Scroll down to find pop-ups and redirects. Here, enable the option Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This prevents websites from launching unauthorized windows, ensuring a smoother experience. Next, let's examine your extensions, as these often trigger unwanted tabs. Return to Settings and click Extensions. Review your installed tools and remove or disable anything unfamiliar or unnecessary. This eliminates rogue software causing interference. If the problem continues, a browser reset might be required. Navigate to Settings, then Reset Settings, and select Restore Settings to their original defaults. This refreshes Chrome without deleting your bookmarks or saved passwords, effectively clearing out persistent glitches. Now, let's address Microsoft Edge. The process is quite similar. Open Edge and click the three dots at the top right to access the main menu. Then pick Settings. Go to Privacy, Search, and Services, then select Site Permissions. From there, click All Permissions followed by pop-ups and redirects. Make sure the block toggle is turned on. Just like before, it is important to check your extensions. Under the Settings menu, find the Extensions section. Look through the list and delete any suspicious add-ons to keep your browser running efficiently. If these changes don't work, you can reset Edge as well. In the Settings menu, go to Reset Settings and choose Restore Settings to their default values. This returns the browser to its factory state while keeping your personal data safe. Following these steps in both browsers will significantly reduce automatic tab openings for a more streamlined web experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips improve your daily browsing.